Hey everyone, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. As you can tell, I am so thrilled because for the last 2 years, I've been looking for an air fryer and I just found this. This was sent to me by this company, Fritaire. It includes an air stand. It's got a French tumbler that's perfect for your French fries, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and more. So basically, your French fries are in. As the tumbler's tumbling, your French fries are cooking itself evenly. Take a look at these French fries. They turned out golden brown and crispy on all sides. Also included in this set, this grabber where, because it's going to be so hot, you can't touch it with your hands. You would use this and pick it up. Next thing that's included. I mean, how crazy is this? You have yourself an air frying rotisserie for your chicken or beef as well. It's giving you the perfect distribution of heat for your meat. This is also a cleaner. I'm really excited for this Fritaire. If you want to pick one up, the link is down below. Take a look at it. They have 7 different colors to choose from. I chose the white one. 7 colors, I think you're going to find a good match for you too. And because it's glass, you can actually see what you're air frying, unlike the traditional air fryers. It's a 360 air visibility. I mean, come on, what air fryer has that option for you? For the cost of this air fryer and what you're getting and what you're seeing, I mean, come on, it's a no-brainer. And you will never buy another air fryer again. In this little Fritaire, we made English muffin pizzas. Take a look at that. I mean, for 6 minutes, it did a great job. And if you're in the market looking for an air fryer, then you've come to the right place. I mean, what other air fry company would give you all these extra accessories for absolutely no cost or even have the capability of doing what this can? And don't forget to click that special link down below to order your Fritaire Air Fryer. With the color of your choice, that link will give you an extra 15% off the already sale price. Make sure it does say Rockin' Rafi under the discount code so you could see on the right of it your discount price. Don't forget to click that link down below. Order yours today, choose your color, have them ship it to you. And until next time, keep on rocking.